now you're just starting with red, you're not thinking dark to light, or is that what you're thinking right now?
I'm starting with my darks.
Okay.
Is that the bad reddish color?
Cad red and alizarin crimson mixed together. Let's come up with another little color here. I'm gonna take my yellow and my cerulean or my cobalt turquoise here, and let's get a little different green going here. Okay, let's do some of the pink ones, the lighter ones. There's one there, there's one here, up here, two of them here.
I like that idea of outlining what you're gonna do next, or at least spacing it, putting it on the paper.
Yeah. So Bill Parks was a wonderful life drawing instructor, and kind of an unusual in the sense that I never saw any of his work, his artwork. He's a very private guy. For Irving Shapiro, my watercolor instructor, he was always demonstrating. But Bill Parks was very private, didn't seem to want to do that kind of thing. And yet he was a wonderful instructor. He taught more about how to think as an artist. And he would say, remember to have fun in your paintings because it'll show up. And so basically he was saying, you have to explore and discover different ways of painting and find out what really excites you. And that's your own journey. And you don't have to abide by someone else's way of painting. As long as you have the fundamentals down, you can go whatever direction you want. So do you see how we've got some variety of color within these flowers already, but also, do you see how they're starting to run together a little bit too? Okay.
Are you paying attention to the white pattern between them?
Between?
Yeah, between the flowers, or?
Like the white pattern, this right here, these two are
The
connected.
white flowers.
Okay, yes, okay, you are.
Yeah. So those are gonna be the leaves, but you can see I'm starting out with a
Oh, okay.
with a green already, or a red.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'm kind of moving along faster than I thought I was gonna do. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna do just a little bit within these roses, but you see, I'm not gonna go very dark because I want the integrity of this big.
The white one?
This is the white one. There's the center of it. And we have the center up in here.